Hey, what's up guys? John from S&S Cycle here. In today's video, we're going to be talking to you about our Grand National slip-on exhaust for the 2022 and up Honda Grom. The Grand National is a race-inspired exhaust system that features a 3.5-inch muffler body, brushed stainless steel, and an aluminum end cap. It also has a removable decimal reducer, allowing you to tune to your preference with just a few bolts. Now that we've reviewed the Grand National exhaust system, we're going to show you how to install it today on this 2022 Honda Grom. Let's get started. Tools you'll need for this installation are an 8mm socket, a 12mm socket, a 1/2-inch socket, 12mm wrench, and a torque wrench featuring inch-pounds torque. First step in the installation, we're going to remove the old exhaust. To do this, we're going to go ahead and remove the flange bolt on the stock muffler clamp right here using a 12mm socket. Next, we're going to remove the mounting bolt and nut from the muffler using a 12mm wrench and a 12mm socket. Keep the bolt, washer, and nut off to the side. You will be reusing these on your new installation. Now that we've removed the mounting bolts, we're going to go ahead and remove the stock exhaust system by pulling it out towards us. One thing to note is the stock exhaust gasket located inside here. If there is some residual left on the header, make sure to clean the header very good before installing the new S&S Grand National muffler. Before installing the muffler, we're going to go ahead and install the mounting bracket on the back of the muffler using the nut plate and sliding it into the housing on the back of the muffler, lining up the holes, then taking the bracket and the supplied bolts and hand tightening them into the nut plate, like so. We're going to go ahead and leave this loose until we fully mount it, and then we will tighten these down. Now we're going to take the supplied S&S muffler clamp and we're going to go ahead and install it onto the muffler in the same orientation as the stock, meaning the bolt is on the bottom so you can get to it. Now we're ready to install this onto the bike. Now we're going to go ahead and slide on the S&S Grand National muffler by gently rotating it onto the header and pushing it in and aligning it with the back bracket, like so. And then we're going to go ahead and snug this muffler clamp in using an 8mm socket. We'll eventually torque it in just a minute. Using the stock bolt and washer, we're going to go ahead and slide this back into the stock location to mount to our new exhaust bracket. One thing to note, make sure your exhaust bracket is on the inside of the stock housing. Taking the stock nut and putting it onto the stock bolt, we're going to go ahead and tighten those both down with a 12mm socket and 12mm wrench. After that, we're going to go ahead and make sure our bolts on the back of the muffler are tightened down. For our final step, we're going to go ahead and torque down the muffler clamp to 28 inch-pounds of torque. And there you have it. That's a Grand National slip-on for the 2022 and up Honda Grom. Make sure to like this video. Always follow us on our social media channels. And for more information, check out sscycle.com.